Hello traders, this is Alla on beautiful August 16th. This was extremely powerful morning. This was ultimate reminder on the end of the minor trend identified by Fibonacci levels. This is what we dealt with the entire morning. This level. This bright pink line. This bright pink line had been ultimate resistance, ultimate pain, ultimate torture, ultimate brick wall for almost an hour. Market been frozen at this level as expected. Right now S&P finally blasted through at key Fibonacci target, which also correlates with the end of the minor trend we've been waiting for since market open. This bright pink line is the most important level you will ever find in the markets. This is the reason I made this level very bright pink, as I witnessed in Johns Hopkins research, where I worked for 5 years, the impact of colors on human brain. Previous 4 days, market sold off from this level on any chart you trade on S&P mini future. On Monday, on Tuesday, and here we are this morning on Thursday. What is the problem? There is no selling pressure yet. Never disrespect the end of the minor trend. Never enter into it. And if I convert this day trading chart to 1 minute, it's identical level in front of you right now. That's causing a problem. Identified before trading room open on Monday. We are on Thursday. And if I convert this chart to 5 minutes, it's identical level. Buy at trend inception, not into Fibonacci resistance. When trend becomes major, this level is out. But this level is always present when trend is minor. Price may never break through. Brick wall on S&P the entire week, no matter what chart you trade. Problem this morning. We've been sitting here not seeing any selling pressure. None yet. Here's another ultimate reminder of the importance of this level on your long-term investment chart. Do you remember S&P weekly at 2200? Do you remember how powerful this level was? Taking S&P 6 months to break through this level. Well, you don't need to wait for months and years to see the accuracy of the method. You see it in front of you every day. Ultimate position level, ultimate investment level, brick wall on S&P for months. And as you see, what do you see behind? 2313 is next. This is S&P now. This is your investment decisions. This is where price is now. Taking S&P 6 months to break through this level. Not the place to buy. Buy at key Fibonacci support, not into resistance. And here's the ultimate reminder what playing out this morning. Bullish trend becoming major, not slowing down. Only if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. Only if rules are met for short, you can short. No reason to short the market yet. Bullish trend becoming major. How many days did it take for the price to break through this level? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not the place to enter into, no matter what you trade. This is ultimate Fibonacci resistance. This is ultimate Fibonacci support. Do you remember this level on Euro's ultimate Fibonacci support in 2016? Euro skyrocketed from this level. Euro never was able to break through this level. This is where Euro made it to, this Fibonacci resistance, and been frozen at the end of the minor trend, this key Fibonacci support for months. Look at this chart right now. It's 1-minute chart on S&P, identical to Euro in front of you. Cannot buy now. Key target is reached. Identical formula on any instrument, any time frame, any platform. And here's S&P hourly, collapsed from the end of the minor trend. And here's oil, ultimate minor trend dense between two levels. Every day, every time, identical formula. And do you remember this structure on Apple? Do you remember bullish rally on Apple from 91 despite worst earnings in 13 years? And do you remember how long Apple struggled at this key Fibonacci resistance? Most of 2018. Identical level, identical Fibonacci strategy. As you see every day on S&P day trading chart in the trading room, no matter what you trade. Price is frozen. Only if rules are met, you can short this market. Fibonacci level identified days in advance in a play in front of you this morning, as expected. If price retraces as posted since early this morning, it's a gift. Only then you can short this market. This is S&P 2 days prior at key Fibonacci target. This is Facebook weekly. Big problem this year. Taking Facebook months to break through this level. Here's ultimate Fibonacci support on McDonald's. And look what happened to Pound Yen weekly. Sold off from this resistance. Here's a basic clue to the markets. If you found strategy that works, it should work on any instrument, any platform, any time frame. Because price action patterns remain the same. It's all the same. If I remove the name from the chart, you will not have a clue what it is. Here is a reminder. No one knows what instrument this is. No one should care. Go to the source. Master price. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. You master this, you can trade anything. And that's what you're mastering in the course. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. 10-year anniversary this month. This is what I mastered in 2008. This is Apple. I went to the source. I recognized it doesn't matter if it's Apple, it doesn't matter if it's 5-minute chart on S&P. Identical formula remains. The only difference, risk management and trader psychology. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits is a core of the course. 10 years of work with price action and Fibonacci is what I share with you in the course. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. As S&P remains frozen as expected, No reason to short the market. Drastically different structure this morning than before. Prior price collapse? This morning it's not doing that yet. However, price reminding you, Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. This level identified days in advance in a play in front of you right now. Here is 1 minute chart. Market starts pulling back as expected. No surprise. Once again, Fibonacci kept you out of trouble. Once again, I warned you this morning, not the place to short. No surprise what price is doing. It's a beautiful thing. Doesn't matter if you trade 5 minute. Identical formula. Never disrespect the end of the minor trend. Never ignore bright pink line. And remember, always and forever, what you learn in the course. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. And as expected, this trade collapsing. As again, trade is not on 1. Trade converted to 1 on purpose. So you can see the accuracy of the method instantly. So you can see and never disrespect the end of the minor trend. What is the problem? It's key support to the downside. No reason to short the market yet. Bearish trend is minor. Price is doing exact same thing as Euro had done. Price is doing exact same thing as McDonald's had done. In front of you on little day trading chart. No reason to short. Both trends are minor. Wait for the rules to be met and only then take a trade. Simple. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Master pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits, and all you have to do, play by the rules. Every single thing you learn in the course applies to any instrument, any time frame. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. All classes are live, 8 weeks. Private mentoring 16 includes all group classes. Do not hesitate to contact me after reviewing the information on the website, and most importantly, listen to graduates of the course who use the method on anything they choose to trade. Thank you, traders, so much. Let's monitor for short, as S&P remains frozen at the end of the minor trend. Just like Euro, just like McDonald's, just like anything you trade, all has exact same formula. If you know where this key support is, if you know where this resistance is, you don't get in trouble. Ever. Simply play by the rules. The sky's the limit.